barbecue fam. Today we're doing up some pizza shots. So grab your tortilla shells. Let's get to cooking. Oh hell yeah. What you like on your pizza, you're gonna put into a burrito. You're gonna roll it up. You're gonna make a handful of these, cut them up, and then you're gonna form a pizza on a pan. First lay out some mozzarella cheese. Then you're gonna put your wheels on top. And then you're gonna top that with cheese and your favorite toppings again. So you're gonna make your burrito with some pizza sauce first. Throw that down nice and even across the whole shell. Then from there, you're adding your ingredients to roll this up nice and tight, and then you're gonna cut it into wheels. Sweet Italian sausage going down first. Pepperoni, as much as you want. Ooh. And you nail it with cheese. Bam. You want to add some vegetables, just remind yourself, if it's like peppers and onions, you're going to get extra liquid. So you might want to cook them first and then add them in. But the fresh ones, you might get a lot of extra liquid and this could become messy. But messy food's fun, right? Oh hell yeah. So now we're going to roll this sucker up. I'm going to cut it up and then we're going to start building this pizza. Get a layer of cheese down on your pan. Cut these guys up. Cut your burrito up in about 2 to 3 inch pucks to make your pizza shot. This recipe here, I used 8 large tortilla shells, cut them up in 5. So I pre-cooked some sweet Italian sausage to fill these burritos with some pepperoni and mozzarella cheese and pizza sauce. Rolled them up, cut them in pucks, these pizza shots. There's about 5 shots worth in each burrito. So 8 burritos, filled this sucker up, 40 pizza shots. And then we're gonna top it with cheese, pepperoni, and the leftover sweet Italian sausage. We're going to be putting it on the pellet smoker at 400 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes tops. Once everything's nice and melted, then you can just start pulling the shots one by one. Oh hell yeah. So on my pizza pan, I put down mozzarella cheese, just a thin layer, so that hopefully will cap the bottom of these pizza shots. Let's get to building. Lots of cheese. Everybody loves mozzarella cheese. Oh, yeah, I know, my kids do. Well, let's build this pizza pie. Pizza shots all around. The best part of the pizza shots recipe is it's endless with the possibilities. I want to do a breakfast pizza shot. Oh, breakfast sausage, scrambled egg, cheese, salsa. Oh, that's going to be a banger. Oh, hell yeah. But for today, this is the first attempt at pizza shots. This is looking phenomenal. So let's pack this sucker up. Fire up that pellet grill or any grill of your choice and get this on at 400 degrees. And in 10-15 minutes, pull it, let it rest for a little bit, and then pull your shots. Pizza shots, that is. For this cook, I'm using the zgrills 702F. I'm going to fire that up at 400 degrees. Pop this in to about 10 to 15 minutes tops. 15 minutes later, pizza shots are done. Pizza shots. Oh, hell yeah. 15 minutes, 400 degrees. Let's get one of these. Woo, she is warm. Look at that. Pizza shots. Oh, hell yeah. Check that out. Check the bottom. Oh, hell yeah. Are you kidding me? Kidding me? That is rocking. Easy to do. So many options. This is going to be something new going into this year. Oh, hell yeah. Pizza shots. So easy. You got to go do it. Just grab yourself some tortilla shells, all your favorite ingredients and cheese, and get to rocking this on any grill of your choice. 400 degrees, 15 minutes, done. Easy. Hell yeah.